Verisurf simplifies scan-to-mesh workflows through a powerful mesh algorithm and post-processing options for measured clouds. The mesh option in measure settings now includes an option for coarse, medium, and fine. This is to optimize the scanning of different types of parts. These settings can be customized using the mesh profile dialog and saved as defaults for subsequent measurements. The mesh profile includes a minimum distance filter to create an even distribution of points. The meshing radius can be defined by specifying the number of adjacent points to consider, and the meshed boundary can be terminated when the angle between faces reaches the specified angle. When scanning parts that include holes, the critical hole length setting can be used to leave open any holes in the mesh that have a boundary length greater than the specified value. The mesh algorithm is extremely fast and efficient and can produce a mesh as soon as the scan is complete. With the mesh option enabled, the parent cloud is deleted and only the mesh is saved for more efficient storage. The cloud post-process options in Verisurf make it faster and easier to measure, inspect, and reverse engineer parts using a mesh.